حقيقة رجعتان
to Radio Time,
حقيقة رجعتان
You're listening to Radio Time.
Hello and welcome to the week 5 edition of Radio Cab with me, Gil,
Dylan.
Oshan.
Also, Ethan's here with us today as well, but he's currently busy going shopping with the others.
We hope you've enjoyed last week's edition and looking forward for this week.
This week we got a lot of features such as a mystery voice, birthdays, transport with Ethan, guess a year, which you have to guess we pick a year and you have to guess 5 facts about the year, and news with Ethan, and our interview. This week we are interviewing Owen Kier from Mourn FM. We will start off with Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes, requested by Hill and Kate Tree.
That was the Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. Now we got the mystery voice. We play 5 voices and you have to guess it.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery voice. Mystery voice.
Here's voice number 1 for this week.
Yeah, I did. But I love Bobby Riggs. He was one of my heroes. And, you know, he's former #1 tennis player. He won the Triple Crown at Wimbledon in '39. And the war had really hurt his career in a lot of ways. And I love history, so I knew all about him. And he's also from Southern California, where I'm from. So
Here's the second mystery voice of the week.
You know, the relationship that I've grown with these 4 boys who I didn't know 3 years ago is absolutely insane, and it's incredible. And yeah, I'm very lucky that I get to spend so much time with them. I'm all good. I'm 100% in this band.
Voice number 3 for this week.
She's an artist first and foremost. She makes great music. She's been through it as an artist. She came from a show similar to this. So her advice has always been just stay true to yourself and honest and don't waver from.
Here's our fourth voice for this week.
To be perfectly honest with you, dating is just tricky if you're a single mother. That's it. And the other business was a vaguely complicating factor. But by the time you've got a babysitter, it is the reality of life was. And I mean, I didn't have a nanny for quite a long time.
Yeah.
I didn't have properly organised childcare because I think I was just...
And here's our 5th and final voice for this week.
It was spontaneous combustion, and I imagine that Richard Gere must have been absolutely astonished at some of the publicity that followed.
Okay, so we hope you all got our voices correct. And our next song now is What a Wonderful World by Louis Armstrong. We'll have the mystery voice answers after Ethan's transport, guess the year, and news around the school.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I never knew. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
That was What a Wonderful World by Louis Armstrong. Now we got the birthdays.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Bruno Mars is 39, a pop singer. George Kittle is 30, a football player. Megan Moroney, 26, a country singer. Marina, 38, pop singer. Ben Phillips is 31, a YouTube star. Simon Cowell, 65, British talent actor.
Thank you, Roshan, for all the birthdays today.
Welcome, Dion.
And our next song now is Red Red Wine by UB40.
Red, red wine goes to my head, makes me forget that I still need her so. Red, red wine, it's up to you.
That was Red Red Wine by UB40 here on Radio Kybe. Now here's Ethan with our travel feature.
Hey everyone, Ethan here, and the travel feature is here.
Here is our travelling feature with Ethan.
Hey everyone, Ethan here, and welcome to the travel feature. Now basically, you might have remembered that last time I done the travel within Britain, from Llangefni to Cardiff and then Sheffield. That was the craziest thing I've ever done. Only this time we're going into continental travel, not transcontinental, within just one continent. London, Manchester, New Hampshire in the USA, and we're going to London, Ontario, which is in Canada. And before you start telling me that I should have done from Manchester in England, which is Greater Manchester, to London on the River Thames in Britain, I am dreadfully apologising for this one. You had to do what you had to do with. Okay, starting with, you got to pick up bus service. Now basically, of course, you got either Greyhound USA, which will cost you about 50 quid, It takes an hour and 20 minutes, and it's once daily. Or you could pick FlexiBus USA from Manchester to Manchester, New Hampshire to Boston, Massachusetts. Once in Boston, take either the Lakeshore Limited, which would take you about 11 hours and 39 minutes and would cost about £140 on an Amtrak train. And then, pretty much, you get there and then take a 3-hour, 43-minute train on Via Rail, which would cost you 65 quid to London, Ontario. Now, basically, the whole trip would cost you roughly 21 hours and 17 minutes, and it would cost you about £318. So now, basically, let's continue on with the show, as the next song is Sonny by Boney M.
Yesterday my life was filled with rain.
Okay, so we had Sunny there by Boney M. Now we are moving on to our Guess the Year, which is where we say 5 facts about the year, and you'll have to guess a year, and if you get the year correct, you get a tick.
Guess the year.
Developer Wooden. And if you get the year wrong, we will tell you. So, our first fact about this year is To Sir With Love was the number one hit of this year. By Lulu, of course.
This year, the day war end in Israel and Syria.
Also this year, the BBC launched its first TV service, the Colour TV service, as BBC Two first launched in this year.
Also in this year, the News 10 aired on ITV.
And last but not least, the BBC split its light programme service into 4 different radio stations, which are Radio 1, Radio 2, Radio 3 and Radio 4 was first launched. Okay, so we hope you got the guess a year correctly, and we will tell you the year when we say the mystery voice answers. The next song is Avonav and Angel and Res Miriam.
Mae hymian hwyr a ddinas yn fy neffro, a meiliad rydw i'n credu dy fod yno, a chlywaf a law isel, dy lais yn galw'n dawel, anfon a fangel i dy warchod di. Sŵn dy lais yn ddigon I chwalu'r holl amhaion, anfon a fangel at a ti. Ac ambell waith yng nghanol berw bywyd, rwy'n teimlo'n unig ac yn isel hefyd, ond pan wyf ar fy nglinia, fe welaf drwy fy nagra, a chofio'r geiriau ddwedais wrtha I. Anfon a fangel I dy warchod heno, anfon a fangel i'th gysur o di. Mae sŵn dy lais yn ddigon I chwalu'r holl amhaion, anfon a fangel at a ti. Ti yw'r angel sydd yma'n wastadol, yn gofalu amdanaf, lle bynnag y byddaf. Ti yw'r angel, fy angel gwarcheidio. Rwy'n cofio'r geiriau, ddwedais wrtha I. Anfon a anfon a fangel i'th gysur o di. Mae sŵn dy lais yn ddigon I chwalu'r holl amhaion, anfon a fangel at a ti. Anfon a alai sy'n ddigon I chwalu'r holl amheuon Anfon a fanel at ti Anfon a fanel
That was Anfon Anel by Rhys Meron. Now we got news around the school with Ethan.
News from around the school.
Hey everyone, Ethan here with news from around the school. Starting off, Kate Dye's coffee morning for Macmillan Cancer Support was great. Success and raised 200 quid. Jack and Cannot Die is off to Havana more for this week. Ironically, I've been there before him, so he's not the only kind pupil to do so. Olivia O'Connellan is going on holiday to Lanzarote. In case you didn't know, it's one of those Canary Islands owned by Spain. I, on Sunday, went to see Concorde in Manchester Airport, a famous experimental jet which took its first flight in the 1970s. And Oshan and K3 is going to Bangor Cathedral to see Emmer Gibson or Danielin. The next song is Help from the Beatles.
I need somebody help, not just anybody help. You know I need someone help. When I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help in any way. But now these days are gone, I'm not so self-assured. Now I find I've changed my mind and opened up the doors. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down, and I do appreciate you being round. Help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please, please help me? And now my life has changed in so many ways. My independence seems to vanish in the haze. But every now and then I feel so insecure. I know that I just need you like I've never done before. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down, and I do appreciate you being round. Help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please, please help me? When I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help in any way. But now these days are gone, I'm not so self-assured. Now I find I've changed my mind, I've opened up the doors. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down, and I do appreciate you being round. Help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please, please help me? Help me, help me.
That was Help There by the Beatles here on Radio Kybe. We hope you've enjoyed that one, Caroline. And now here's our Guess a Year answers and the Mystery Voice answers. The year this year was 1967. Check that if you got that correct. And now moving on to our Mystery Voice answers. Our first answer, if you got this correctly, number 1, was Billie Jean King.
That then 4 was Harry Styles. Take that, you got it right.
The third one is James Arthur. Tick it if you got it correct.
If we got our fourth voice correctly, the fourth voice was J.K. Rowling, who wrote Harry Potter. Tick that if we got it correctly.
Our fifth and final voice was Matt Clifford. Tick who got it right.
Okay, so we hope we got our mystery voice and guess the year correct. The next song now is I Had the Time of My Life by Bill Medley.
Now I had the time of my life. No, I never felt like this before. Yes, I swear it's a truth, and I owe it all to you.
'Cause I had the time of my life, and I owe it all to
I've been waiting for so long. Now I finally found someone to stand by me.
We saw the writing on the wall, and we felt this magical that
time of my life. No, I never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's a truth, and I owe it all to you. Time of my life, searching every open door till I found the truth, and I owe it all to you. I have time of my life, baby. I had time of my life. No, I never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's a truth, and I owe it all to you. 'Cause I had time of my life. Searched through every open door.
Was Bill Magley there with I Had the Time of My Life here on Radio Carib. Now we are moving on to Ethan to find out what's the latest around the world with his news around the world.
News around the world.
Hey everyone, Ethan here with news from around the world. Let's start off. Channel 4 reports record £52 million deficit for 2023 amid advertising. Israel in the Middle East marks a year since Hamas attacks, and fighting rages on multiple fronts. In my personal opinion, Israel and Palestine pretty much almost like siblings. Yeah, and like most sibling activities, includes fights. The US judge orders Google to open the Apple App Store to rivals. I think they might make the world's first compatible phone with major different brands. The British population increased by 7% in a year, as ONS reveals main cause. Lots of births for us, which means more people. And sticking to Britain, they're having risks of losing AI leadership without a data strategy. Well, that was odd. The next song is Gad Ni Fod by Fleur de Lis.
Be da ni am neud ta? Ista nôl yn yr siabriw iar. Be di pwynt I ni weithredu os da dydan ni gyd yn canu o'r un ysgrif heb sôn yr un pryd. Dwi'n gleisia ac yn greithia yn ymhen ni yr rhan fwya. Mae mhlaniau I bellach Di disgyn yn ddarna Ar statements gan banc a llythyr a gan I twrna Ydy llonydd yn ormod I ofyn Gawn ni weld Ochos mae'n teimlo fod hynny Di pasio I mi esbel Gad ni fod Ydyn da ni gallu bod yn sensitif Ond yn canlyniad I hyn Di creaduriau sy'n gryf Gad ni fod Ti'n meddwl bod chdi'n gallu bygwth ni O na, fel yn amlwg dwi ti ddim yn nabod ni Just methu symud Dydi pethau ddim yn eglur Penderfynu lle ti'n byw ar gyflog y cawr A nofio yn y rwla rhwng y nenwd a llawr Dydi pobol ddim yn rheol isio brifo neb Sdio pam ma nhw mewn congol na nhw ddechrau gweiddi Yn wir do'n i'm yn dad be O gysympio tan i'r estron nhw gyrraedd Ond oedd y matches di tapio Ydi llonydd yn ormod I ofyn Gawn ni weld Ochos mae'n teimlo fod hynny di pasio I mi esbel Gad ni fod Ydyn da ni gallu bod yn sensitif Ond yn canlyniad I hyn Di creaduriau sy'n gryf Gad ni fod Ti'n meddwl bod chdi'n gallu bygwth ni O na, wel yn amlwg dwi ti ddim yn nabod ni me. Oh, now well, another pretty big but never me. Got me bored. Got me bored. Got me bored.
Fleur de Lis there. Now, coming up next now, we've got a very special guest here now. We've got Owen here from the radio. And now, here's a video to go along with the interview. We hope you enjoy.
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
Okay, so we are now back, and today we have a very special guest with us on the radio show today. It's Owen here from Capital Cymru and Morn FM. He also does some work for the paranormal as well. And he does some filming from BBC, ITV and S4C. And this is a very special opportunity for us to interview people outside from school.
I'm Oshan, dwi'n Oshan.
Hi Oshan, how are you?
Iawn, diolch.
Hi iawn, mae'n neis gweld chi Oshan.
Ie.
I'm Dylan.
Hiya Dylan, ti'n iawn?
Yeah.
I'm Dion.
Hiya Dion, sut wyt ti?
Iawn. Ethan.
Yeah.
Ethan.
That's me.
Hi Ethan, how are you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Da iawn. Wel, diolch I chi am gael fi ar eich sioe radio, hogia.
Iawn.
What year was your show launched on monthly? Which type of music do you play, and what time is your show on?
Oh, good question. Thank you very much. Well, I started my shows on Capital when it was a station called Champion 103. I know it's before your time, but Champion 103 was based in Bangor, in Parc Menai.
Yeah.
So I started doing that. Before I started doing music shows, I started doing the news. I started reading the news. And then that's how I got into, they were looking for somebody to present in the afternoon. So I presented on Champion. Then I presented on Heart FM for 10 years. And then now I'm on Capital. On Sundays, I do Capital. And I do the breakfast show on Morn FM every Monday and Tuesday, 7 in the morning till 10, and then the afternoon show. So the breakfast show, you have to get up really, really early. You get up that early, boys?
No.
No.
No?
No.
So, and with Capital FM, we've got a playlist that gets created for us beforehand. So they'll create an hour's playlist. So I'm on Capital every Sunday between 12 and 4. So I get given a playlist. And then on Morn FM, I get given a playlist as well. But I'm allowed to choose more of my own songs on that. So I like Ed Sheeran. So I'll put some Ed Sheeran in. Do you like Ed Sheeran?
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
Yes.
Yeah.
What are your favourite musicians? What sort of music do you like listening to?
I like listening to 60s, 70s and 80s.
Ah, so there's a good selection of music there, isn't there?
Yeah.
What about the rest of you boys? What do you like listening to?
I like country music.
Country music?
You like Bruce Springsteen, yeah?
And Bruce Springsteen, yeah.
Ah, Bruce Springsteen's cool, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what about the others? What do you like, boys?
Pop music.
Pop music?
Yeah.
Iawn. And there's one man left. What do you like?
Mine's a very hodgepodge
Well, that's okay, isn't it?
of different music.
Well, that's a great thing, isn't it? Because between the four of you, there's a wide variety of music, so there's something for everybody between a lot of you, isn't there?
Yeah.
So that's a great thing. So did I answer that question okay for you?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Diolch yn fawr.
Where have you your favourite place to go on holiday?
Oh, well, do you know what? Because I work so much, I work most of the time. I work 7 days a week, so I don't get much time to go on holiday. So I've got a young family. So I've got a wife and I've got 3 boys, and they're 15, 6, and 4. So we go to places like Legoland. Have you been to Legoland?
I've been,
Yeah, do you like building Lego?
yeah.
So we've been to Legoland. We went to Disneyland in Paris in the summer. And yeah, so sometimes, we don't get to go on holiday very often because we're working a lot. But when we do go, we try and go somewhere quite close. So it doesn't mean that we have to travel too far because the boys don't like sitting in the car for hours and hours. It's a bit long, doesn't it? It gets a bit boring going in the car, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
What about you? Where do you like going on your holidays?
I like going to Manchester and Dublin.
Manchester and Dublin?
Yeah.
Do you go and see some concerts or something, or have you got family there?
I go there with family.
Loads of nice places to go out and eat, and the cinema and everything like that in Manchester, isn't there?
Yeah.
Do you know do you know what? I'm going to see Oasis in Manchester next year. Do you like? Have you heard of Oasis?
Yeah.
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 So I'm going to see them in concert, so I'm really looking forward to that. What about the other boys? Where do you like going on your holidays?
Where do you like going?
Haven.
Haven in Pwllheli?
Oh my god.
Porthmadog, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. There's a nice water park there, isn't there? There's a big slide there in the swimming pool. Yeah. Yeah. And what about the other boys? Where do you like going on your holiday, boys?
Oh, I've been to various different heritage railways.
Oh, do you like going to see the heritage railways? Have you been
Yeah.
to the Have you been on the Festiniog Railway?
Yep.
How does that compare to the other heritage railways?
Not so much. But I've been on a North Yorkshire Moors Railway in August, and it was my first ever time I've been on a standard gauge heritage railway. I also enjoy going to the National Railway Museum over in York, which is in the east coast. It's on the east coast of England.
Wow, I bet there was really nice scenery as well in Yorkshire, was there?
Yep.
You also went to Blackpool as well, didn't you, Ethan?
Yep.
Did you go when the lights were illuminated, Ethan?
Yep. That was in October last year. And then the first time I've been there was like in June of 2022. Towards the end of the month.
I imagine they'll be putting the lights on again soon, will they? Or are they already on? Do you know?
No.
No, you're not sure.
Not
have
sure.
you been? So you really like your railways, then, do you?
Yep.
Wow, that's an interesting hobby. My friend Mark, who works with me, he likes to go and visit different railways as well. It's a pity he wasn't here with me now. He could have given you some information about where he's been on the railways, but I've been on the Festiniog a couple of times, and that's really beautiful, isn't it?
And I like going to Stockholm, Budapest.
Wow,
and I'm going to Portugal, Lisbon next month.
Wow, so you've all been travelling quite different places, then, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice going on holiday, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you've given me some ideas now of places I could go. I'll have to make some time to go, won't I?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What other work do you do besides radio?
Well, so I do a lot. I've started doing a lot of podcasts now, so they get put on Spotify and stuff. I do voiceovers as well. So if you go on, do you ever go on the Arriva bus?
Yeah.
You know, the blue bus?
Yeah.
Well, I do the voice on that bus sometimes as well. So when you go on the bus and it says the next stop is Bangor,
Yeah.
I used to do the Welsh voice on that. So all my friends would be filming themselves, going, "Look, Owen's in the boot hiding," and I wasn't hiding in the boot. I'd recorded them. But that was a lot of fun. And as you said, I've got a filming company as well. So
Yeah.
I get to go out doing lots of filming, and I fly drones as well. So
Yeah.
I get to go and see a lot of nice scenery. So I think Ethan mentioned Yorkshire there when he went on the Heritage Railway. I'm sure there'd be a lot of beautiful scenery there to film with a drone, wouldn't there?
Yeah.
So I do a lot of filming, and also, like you mentioned, the paranormal as well. So I arrange paranormal nights, ghost hunts, and I also do weddings and discos on the weekend, and I also do bingos, crazy bingos. They're called Bonkers Bingo. I don't know if you've seen them online or if you've heard of Bonkers Bingo, but they're like normal bingo but more crazy, with lots of confetti and balloons and everybody dancing. So I do a lot of everything, so it keeps me busy, you see.
Yeah.
So
Speaking of paranormal, a member of staff at this school, Iswin, said you like the paranormal.
yes. Well, Islwyn and me go back a long while. Me and Islwyn used to go to Beaumaris, to the jail in Beaumaris.
Yeah.
Ghost hunting. Has he told you about that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we did a night about a year ago, but we didn't see anything that time. Sometimes it's quite spooky there. And I get a bit scared, if I'm honest with you. Do you believe in ghosts?
Yes.
Yeah.
Or maybe we should
I'm the
get
most awkward one for ghost trains.
the ghost train. So have you seen the film Ghostbusters?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's me and Islwyn, that is. Well, these are good questions so far, boys. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Where is the most spooky place that you have visited for a paranormal night?
Well, near Porthmadog. Do you know where Porthmadog? You know where Porthmadog is, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the way to Porthmadog, there's an old, I think it used to be a mansion, but now it's just walls and bricks, and it's fallen apart. But it feels very scary. So Mark, who I was telling you about, who likes the railway as well, Mark and I went there recently, and we've got like ghost hunting equipment. Do you know of the ghost hunting equipment, like EMF meters? Do you know have you heard of them? So they make a beeping noise if they think there's a ghost around. Or we also use a thermal camera. Do you know what a thermal camera is? Have you heard what a thermal camera does?
No.
So a thermal camera can pick up if there's any heat or if the area's cold, and ghost experts think that you can see patches of coldness and stuff on that. So we use them as well to go ghost hunting, and we went walking around Plas Brinker, it's called. And it was very scary in the day. We heard some strange noises, see anything. And then, like I said, we went to Beaumaris jail.
Yeah.
I think, with Islwyn, I think there was about 50 people there. And we were ghost hunting there. And some people thought they'd seen some spooky things through the corner of their eye, dark shadows and stuff. But we don't know if it was ghosts or they were imagining. It's easy to imagine these things, isn't it? If we're watching telly, or if we watched a spooky movie the night before.
Yeah.
Sometimes our imagination makes us think we're seeing things, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So who knows? Who knows?
What is your favourite paranoid film?
Oh, my favourite paranormal film. Oh, that's a good question. Oh, you know what? I think it's Ghostbusters. You know, because it's not too scary. There's a lot of. It's quite fun, isn't it, to watch? And there's that big ghost, like the Marshmallow Man.
Yeah.
And there's Slimer as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Slimer covers everybody in slime. So that always makes me laugh. You know what I like? You know what I like doing? I like watching videos on YouTube.
Yeah.
I'm sure you guys do. You like watching YouTube as well?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. What sort of things do you like watching on YouTube?
Trains.
Trains. I thought you might say that.
Now, like listening to music on YouTube.
Yeah. So you get to watch the videos as well, don't you?
Yeah.
What about?
Listening to music, yeah.
Yeah. What about you? Go on.
Listening to music.
Listening to music as well, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you listen to any Welsh music sometimes?
Yeah.
Who do you like listening to?
Listen to Fleur de Lis sometimes. Bryn Vaughan.
Yeah, because Fleur de Lis, they play sometimes in Llangefni when the lights get switched off and around Christmas, don't they?
Yeah, they
And
do.
Bryn Vaughan's good, isn't he? I like Bryn Vaughan's songs. And Ows Gwynedd as well. Do you know Sebon Navi?
Yeah.
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 That's a good one to dance to, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And Ows Gwynedd, he lives in the same village as me. So Ows Gwynedd's children, they go to the same school as my boys. So I saw Ows Gwynedd this morning. I'll have to tell him that I've been interviewed by the boys on the radio. Maybe we can see if he'd do an interview with you next time.
Yeah. Good idea, that.
Or maybe the boys from Fleur de Lis.
Yeah. I know one of the boys in Sudley.
Do you?
Yeah, very well actually. Was in that old school with the teacher, my old school. Yeah. John.
There you go. That's the best way, is to get interviews and stuff, isn't it? Just ask people, and most of the time people will be happy to do them with you, won't they?
Yeah. Do you like scary movies?
Oh, I do like scary movies, but they do scare me. But I suppose that's what they're supposed to do, isn't it? Do you know the film with Freddy Krueger?
No.
Nightmare on Elm Street. Oh, Ethan knows that one. I haven't watched that in a long time. It's scary. Got big claw hands. And do you know what makes them very scary sometimes as well? Is the music, isn't it, in the background? It's like really creepy music, and gives me nightmares thinking about it.
I think that's all the questions we have, I think.
Well, they were really good ones. Did you?
Yeah.
How did you decide which questions you were going to ask me then?
Pardon?
How did you decide what you were going to ask me then? Did you all? work
We-
together.
Yeah, and we write the questions down on the sheet of paper as well.
Yeah, it's always good to do that, isn't it? Because sometimes when you're live on the radio, it's easy to forget things, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's always good to write things down. And have you interviewed anybody else on your radio show yet?
We interviewed a member of staff from the school.
Yeah.
And we interviewed some children as well.
Yeah, we just started, yeah.
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 That's always good, isn't it? So people can find out more about you and the school and get to know the staff better, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And just now we started to interview people outside the school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a great idea because then people can see you out and about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about one day
Yeah.
that you guys come to Morn FM so I can interview you?
Yeah.
Would you like to come to Morn FM and have a look around
Yeah.
the studio?
Yes, we would.
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Right then, we'll arrange that with Sir, and because it's in Llangefni, isn't it? It's literally down the road.
Yeah.
And you can see inside the studio and you can talk with me on air.
Okay.
Would you like to do that?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah. That's fair, isn't it? Because you've
So-
interviewed me, so now I can interview you. Is that fair?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the time's up now. To finish each week, we ask our guests to choose one song. What song would you like to play at the end of the show this week?
Well, thank you very much for getting me on the show, boys.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Diolch yn fawr. Because I enjoyed being on your show and we talked about Fleur de Lis. How about we have Fleur de Lis with Bywyd Braf?
Okay, so we are going to finish off this week's edition with Bywyd Braf by Fleur de Lis. Thank you, Owen Kerr.
Thank you, Owen, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Danke.
Diolch yn fawr, boys. Thank you.
Wyt ti'n barod i adael fynd o dy grediniad i Wyt ti'n barod i weld y byd Paid a dweud na, 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 na i'r bywyd braf Mae isio weithiau Wyt ti'n barod i gario ymlaen A chroesi'r ffiniau i gyd Does na neb yn dy rwystro ni Paid a dweud na, 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 na i'r bywyd braf Byw yn dda, da, da, da i'r hollol eithaf Iechyd da Cynhyrfa achos mae isio weithiau just make sure we fear.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Cab, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
تحية الضوء براديو كاب. تحية الضوء براديو كاب.
You're listening to Radio Cab.